over 50 years. The 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS has stood as a testament to American automotive excellence. With its powerful engine, sporty design, and rich history, this iconic car has become a legendary figure in the world of classic cars, and a must-have for any serious collector. A paragon of mid-20th century American automotive design, the 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS seamlessly blends performance and style, capturing the essence of the muscle car era. Introduced as a sportier variant of the Chevy 2 lineup, the Nova SS offered enthusiasts a compelling combination of aesthetics and power, design and performance. In 1964, the Nova SS featured a sleek, compact design with clean lines and a distinctive grille, embodying the era's automotive trends. This model marked a significant milestone as it introduced the first factory V8 option for the Chevy 2 series, a 283 cubic inch 4.6L engine producing 95 horsepower. This enhancement provided a substantial boost in performance, appealing to a growing market of performance-oriented drivers. Additionally, a new 230 cubic inch 3.8L straight six engine was offered, replacing the older Stovebolt engine and providing a balance between performance and efficiency, interior and features. Inside, the Nova SS was designed with driver comfort and style in mind. The interior featured bucket seats with textured vinyl trim, a floor-mounted shifter, and a distinctive instrument cluster. The dashboard was equipped with ammeter, oil pressure, and temperature gauges, providing drivers with essential information at a glance. The overall design emphasized a sporty yet functional aesthetic, aligning with the vehicle's performance capabilities, market value, and collectability. As of early 2025, the 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS holds a revered place among classic car enthusiasts and collectors. The market value for this model varies based on factors such as condition, originality, and provenance. Recent listings indicate that well-preserved or fully restored examples can command prices ranging from approximately $32,900 to $46,995. For instance, a modified 1964 Nova SS was listed at $39,900 in Sioux City, Iowa, while a custom 1964 Nova SS in Mesa, Arizona, was priced at $32,900. These figures reflect the enduring appeal and investment potential of the Nova SS among classic car collectors. Join our community. The 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS remains a symbol of American automotive heritage, celebrated for its blend of performance, design, and historical significance. We invite you to join our community of classic car enthusiasts to explore more about this iconic model and share your passion for automotive history. Subscribe to our channel for in-depth reviews, restoration tips, and exclusive content on the Nova SS and other classic vehicles. Engage with fellow enthusiasts, share your experiences, and become part of a community that cherishes the legacy of automotive excellence.